Good day to you, everyone. Today we talk about the application of PUR holomet adhesive in the woodworking industry. PUR holomet adhesive is widely used in the woodworking industry for its superior bonding strength and durability. It is applied in a molten state, typically at 120 to 140 Celsius degree, and cures by reacting with moisture, creating a strong permanent bond. PUR is ideal for bonding wood, laminates, veneers, and so on, offering excellent resistance to heat, moisture, and chemicals. They are commonly used in furniture manufacturing, cabinetry, and flooring. The adhesive's fast setting time and flexibility make it perfect for high-speed production lines. With its ability to bond challenging materials and withstand harsh conditions, PUR is a reliable choice for woodworking applications. See you next time.